Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos crispy. First, gather your corn tortillas and a good quality frying oil. You'll need a sturdy skillet and a pair of tongs. Heating your oil to the correct temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect crunch. We'll cover the ideal oil temperature and how to maintain it throughout the process. To begin, select fresh corn tortillas. They crisp up beautifully. Pour about 1/2 inch of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, into a heavy-bottomed skillet. Place it over medium-high heat. It's important to monitor the oil temperature, ideally reaching 350 degrees F. This ensures your tortillas fry evenly and become golden, not greasy. Carefully place one tortilla into the hot oil. Let it fry for about 15 to 20 seconds until it becomes pliable. Then, using your tongs, gently fold the tortilla in half to create that classic taco shell shape. Continue frying for another 30 to 45 seconds, or until it reaches a beautiful golden brown and feels firm. Once your taco shells are perfectly golden and crisp, carefully remove them from the oil. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, sprinkle a tiny pinch of fine salt over them for enhanced flavor. Now, your homemade crispy taco shells are ready to be filled with all your delicious ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.